Welcome to Arduino TinkerCAD simulation series. In this video, you are going to learn about how to interface a push button with the Arduino Uno development board. Let's tinker this circuit using a TinkerCAD and AI tools. Go to TinkerCAD website by browsing tinkercad.com. Click on Create icon and then select Circuits. A TinkerCAD playground with simulation appears. Now it's time to tinker the circuit of push button interfacing with Arduino. Let's change the name of our project to push button with Arduino. Hit enter and Ctrl+S to save the design. Now change the components from basics to all for better look. Let's bring in Breadboard Mini on the playground with Arduino Uno R3. Rotate Arduino as per your circuit design plan. Now place the 4-pin push button on the breadboard and notice how 1A, 1B, 2A and 2B pins are indicated on push button. Let us take one resistor from components list and place it on the breadboard at the 1 pin of push button. Change the resistance value to 4.7 kilo ohms. Now it's time to connect wires to the components from Arduino. Connect the VCC pin to resistor, ground pin to push button another end, and D2 GPIO pin to push button terminal 2. This will make the circuit for active low configuration of push button interfacing with Arduino using TinkerCAD. Now it is time to use AI tools to accelerate our development activity. You can use any AI tools as per your convenience. I am using Perplexity Pro for writing our first code. Write a detailed prompt to explain your connections with pin configuration and all the specific optimizations like using micros in code generation. This part is very important for you to understand that all codes generated by AI tools are not perfect. Hence, it is your responsibility to understand the coding and make it foolproof with proper review. In case you do not understand or like the way AI generated codes for your prompt, then play around with your prompts and give specific points to optimize and create a really well-working Arduino code for your project. In my case, it has generated a code with internal pull-up resistor configuration in pinif function, which is not correct as per my circuit diagram. Hence, I wrote a follow-up prompt to the model to change it accordingly. Thereafter, I also noticed that the else condition in loop function will create infinite message display on serial monitor. So it is better to keep it with only if condition where only button press status will be displayed. Let us copy this code and paste it in Arduino TinkerCAD simulation window. Quickly cross-verify all the connection and code are matching as per the plan and design flow. If any small changes required like changing data types, then do it directly in TinkerCAD editor window. Open the serial monitor window and click on Start Simulation button. You can see welcome message on serial monitor as written in setup function, and when you press push button, the button pressed message will appear. This is how smooth and easy to simulate circuits on TinkerCAD with the help of AI tools like Perplexity. Try designing multiple push button circuit for your learning experience and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. I believe you learned something new in this particular tutorial. Consider subscribing to our channel linked frequency and help us to grow in Arduino and TinkerCAD community. See you again in the next video. Until then, tune yourself to make a difference.